Okay, continuing with our theme setup. And you know what? This is something that everybody has their own preference for how they want things to look. I want you to play with it. You know, your site is not being indexed right now. No one's going to see it. So play with it and kind of see what it looks like, how you want it to look. And I mean, test some things. See if this works better, that works better. But get familiar with this sort of thing. Metadata, whether you want on your post, whether you want the author, number of comments, the date of the post to show or hide, you choose that. Metadata on single post pages, which means that when someone clicks on one of the posts in the, say the main page is going to have, 10 posts there. When someone clicks on one of those, is that same data going to be shown on the single post page? Honestly, I usually hide these. I don't, it doesn't matter what date I made a post. And since you can generally put 10 to 15 posts up here in one day, I'd like to hide the date so people don't think that I'm just slamming articles up there, which I actually am. Um, Show similar posts at the bottom of the page. Yes, I like that. Similar post heading. You can change this to similar posts, related posts, you know, other people also liked, something like that. It doesn't really matter. Okay. And again, we always save changes every time, every page, just to make sure, because sometimes you forget. Sidebar. Do you want to show top products in the sidebar? It says here you should. You definitely should. Yes, you should. Sidebar products heading. Put something like best sellers. The theme is going to pick the products for you. Don't worry about that. Number of products to show. I usually show 3 or 4. So let's say 4. Order by ID or date, as far as whether, the ID of the actual product or the date it was listed. I don't think it makes a difference. Order type ascending or descending. I don't think that makes a difference either. And the review link, text to link. Okay, so when someone sees the hot product section, there'll be a link that says read more or read review. And you can change this to say whatever you want it to say. Read more is fine. Okay, we save all changes. And again, I want you to play with these, but that's pretty much the setup for our Affilio Review theme. So I want to get to the important part, the fun part, which is adding products and starting to set up our store. I'll be right back.